welcome to the Disney World pack with me. Woo woo! If you missed part one, we've gone over all of our plans, all the planning bits, okay? What we're doing, our itinerary, the rides we want to hit, foods we want to try, all of that. If you're interested in that, I will leave it in the card above. It's also going to be in a series. This is the second video of the series. I also went over the whole video schedule for this series in the last video, so if you want to see that and know what's coming up, go for it. But for this video, we are packing. So let's get a little overview. Okay, so up front we got all of our accessories and park bags. So I'm debating if I'm gonna wear that or not, but I'm definitely gonna bring it just in case, just because it's my Haunted Mansion backpack. I also have Haunted Mansion ears, but I do not have a Haunted Mansion outfit, but it is still my favorite ride, so I'm gonna bring it just in case I change my mind on something. This is the park bag River will wear. I need to get off Minnie Mouse from the front. The pin backs work very well, okay? I will fill this later. That's just gonna be an option. I'm not gonna fill that with anything. I got for my birthday a Pinfolio bag. Up front's all the possible traders. Inside is all of the keepers. Here's all my keepers. And who knows how many more we will come back with. This isn't even all of them because we have a whole Star Wars collection, but that's what's gonna go on here. So these are just some things that I keep in our park bag, like gum, fans. We went over that a little bit yesterday. The accessories I will be bringing is, if you saw the last video, I unboxed Pua from a mystery box, and I got a little Pascal shoulder sitter thing. And then options for ears. I'm definitely taking these two. I'm gonna take that one just in case I change my mind. So for the outfits, everyone's favorite part. This is day one is Animal Kingdom, which is this cute little Mickey shirt that I thrifted with the most perfect shorts that I already had that match. Like, it's not necessarily animals, but you look at this outfit and you think Animal Kingdom. So cute. The next day is Hollywood Studios. If you watched the last video series, I like to start out the day, or at least just have a tank top option with me. Sometimes layered, sometimes if it's too hot, I'll take it off, but at some point I just like to wear a tank top because during the hottest points of the day, you don't feel like wearing layers. That color I think goes perfect with these in case I do wear them both. The next thing I also got from the thrift store is this Star Wars shirt from Old Navy. This is my favorite color, purple. If you can't tell from everything else, it's that same purple. And then to go with the shirt options is just either this workout skirt thing that I wore last year, it's super cute, or I'm bringing options, and you'll see later it'll mix and match with other options too, a workout dress to go underneath to layer instead of the blue tank top, but we will see which one. The next day is Magic Kingdom. Again, another tank top option if I choose to do so. I'm also, like, the tank tops, I did this last year. For the hottest parts of the day / the mornings, I usually wear tank tops. Or sometimes I just wear the shirt if I'm like sunburnt from the day before. So I like to have both options. Even if it's hot, I might not wear a tank top just in case I'm burnt from the day before. So we have a black tank top option. The star of the show, shirt I was wearing last video. Look how cute and vintage this shirt is. It's definitely giving Magic Kingdom vibes. And the most perfect red pair of shorts to go with it. Look at this. Another option for that blue tank top was for here because it kind of ties in the blues, but then I don't know how funky that blue and just plain red shorts if I just wear it with just the tank top. And then the last day is Epcot. I skipped Disney Springs, but we'll get to that. Or our park rest day. Epcot is gonna start out, obviously, these green shorts and then a brown tank top. It is Flower and Garden Festival. And to complete the outfit, the most perfect Winnie the Pooh shirt. Are you kidding me? So this could either, whatever I don't wear from the Star Wars day, whether it's the black bottom, the black skirt, or the black workout dress. I also have another black workout dress that I'll show you in a second. So there's lots of options to go underneath this, but definitely the Winnie the Pooh shirt is the vibe. Then for Disney Springs, I have an option for the bottom layer. Again, it could either be this workout dress, that workout skirt, or this is another workout dress that I got last year. It's not as cute as the others though. But then this, it looks like not Disney, right? How cute. Mickey tie-dye. So I'm wearing that shirt for Springs, and then I have other options of layering shorts should I need it. And then we'll see. We'll mix and match. We'll see whatever workout dress or skirt that I pick. This, I was thinking, obviously, Flower and Garden Festival. for Epcot outfit. Epcot ears. Come on now. I wore them last year, but oh well. Still fits the vibe. These Star Wars ears, obviously, for the Star Wars outfit. And these, like I said, I'm just gonna bring just in case I change my mind. That would easily match that if I want to change that for Disney Springs and this for Magic Kingdom, but we'll see. I did Haunted Mansion outfit last year, so maybe I'll just switch it up. Hua, don't know where he could go, but I have another plain white fanny pack that I need to get out that I'm gonna take, and he can go in this one or that one because he's a fruit and he matches the vibe of the Flower and Garden Festival. And then Pascal. I'm thinking he goes with the classic Disney characters from Magic Kingdom. So yes, these are all my outfits picked out. Rivers, if you saw last year's video, River has enough Star Wars clothes in his wardrobe, shirts and shorts, that he can just wear Star Wars for every day. So you're just gonna have to follow along and see what outfits he picks. I'm gonna pick out his stuff, like his shirts and stuff to bring, but I'm sure he will mix and match however he feels. So I'm gonna go over what I usually put in my park bag. If you watched the last video, I'm gonna have a fanny pack, and then River's gonna have our big backpack, which is gonna have our water, gum, probably our wallets, that kind of stuff, reusable straws. We didn't get any liquid IV, but I'm not sure if we used it much last year. We're going to the grocery store, I believe, the first night that we get there, so we can pick some up if we feel like we need it. Hand wipes, Tums, Benadryl because River's allergic to tree nuts, Band-Aids, straws as I said, and the mini fans. That's usually what we keep in our park bag, and obviously like our phones and vlog cameras gonna go in there and stuff, batteries. So that will all be dispersed between either my fanny pack that I choose to wear or River's our park bag that River will carry. Who knows, maybe while we're there I'll do an updated what is realistically going, or what realistically is in our park bag. I've seen people do that and it's pretty fun when they do like the end of the park day was actually in their bag still. I think that might be fun if we remember to do it. For our Toiletries bag, I've shown before, it's just the Amazon little hooks on the door, folds apart a couple times and zips up, travel Toiletries bag. That is usually always stocked. I'm gonna check it just to make sure, but we travel quite a bit, so it's usually always stocked up, but again, I'm gonna double check. The things I know I need to add are my daily makeup, some chapstick, and see again if I need to refill anything like our shampoo, conditioner, body wash, anything like that. We already have reusable toothbrushes in there, so that's not usually a big deal. Like I said, we travel a lot, so we have a separate version of toiletry items for traveling. So there's probably nothing that I need to update there. We just need to remember to pack it after I fill it with my makeup after I get ready tomorrow morning. We're leaving tomorrow at 4 a.m. if I didn't say that already. Shoe options for me. I forgot to put these in the video yesterday because they were sitting in a different area. I got new shoes from Walmart. They did not look like Walmart shoes. These look like so cute. I'm excited to wear them. Not excited to see how long until they get dirty, but that's a shoe option. And the other shoe option is my go-to tan Disney shoes. Two options, excited about that. Both of them pretty much can match any outfit, so it doesn't really matter. I'm having a second option just in case these shoes start to hurt my feet because they're new. That's it for now. Now we gotta actually pack the bag. I'm not sure if I'll show me packing the toiletries because like I said, we're leaving at 4 a.m. and I'm just gonna do my makeup, and as I'm doing my makeup, throw it in the bag and then peace out. River is currently going to get the oil changed and fill up the gas. We are dropping Obi off with his dog sitter, and then I will probably be, and then we're gonna eat, and then I will start packing our actual suitcase. It is summertime, so I don't believe we will need a large luggage. I think we'll just be able to use our carry-on. We are not flying, we are driving, so we can really bring whatever we want. We don't need to bring a ton of stuff. We're only gonna be there for 5 days. 5 summer outfits does not take up that much space, so I think we'll be a-okay. I need to gather some pajamas, socks, and then start to pack the luggage. And I need to find that other fanny pack. So she's not coming off. The pin back is broken. So she's just gonna be part of the decor. Okay, I'm gonna get all these on here and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okie dokie, here's the Star Wars backpack and Minnie Mouse. I tried to make her look like she belongs. Okay, that's done. I also found another one of my pins I need to add to my pinfolio. And I found my plain one. My plan is, depending on the park, I might decorate this with pins, and then if we get more pins, that'll make more sense. And I want to attach Pascal on here at some point, or on the other one. I found another one of my traders. Don't get me wrong, I like him, but he's a scrapper for sure. Boo boo kitty.
One.
That's for Animal Kingdom for tomorrow. Pick out a shirt for this, or shorts for this.
Seems so they don't have any.
That's all for now, and now there's stuff in the wash we're waiting to dry, so that might be at 4 a.m. when we get them out, so just imagine.
Deep. That's all, folks.
Okay, here we go for brunch caught. I got the passport. We got the shake, the shrimp and grits, avocado toast, and French toast.